Hello friends, welcome to DG Question Bank. Today we are sharing with you 20 very important questions of AIBE for the upcoming AIBE exam 18. So let's start. Question 1. The structure of the Indian Constitution is? The options are option A, federal in form and unitary in spirit. Option B, unitary. Option C, unitary in form and federal in spirit. Option D, purely federal. The right answer is option A, federal in form and unitary in spirit. Question 2. The concept of Panchayati Raj has been introduced in our constitution by the insertion of? The options are option A, Article 123, option B, Article 300A, option C, Article 243, option D, none of the above. The right answer is option C, Article 243. Question number 3. Who is exception to equality before law? Article 14. The options are option A, President, option B, Governors, option C, both, option D, none. The right answer is option C, both. Question number 4. Article 15 prohibits discrimination on grounds only of? The options are option A, religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, residence or any of them. Option B, religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth. Option C, religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth or any of them. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is option C, religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth or any of them. Question number 5. Autrefois acquit principle is related to? The options are option A, self-incrimination, option B, ex post facto law, option C, retrospective operation, option D, double jeopardy. The right answer is option D, double jeopardy. Question number 6. Jurisprudence has been defined as the science of the first principle of civil law by? The options are option A, Salmon, option B, Holland, option C, Gray, option D, Patton. The right answer is option A, Salmon. Question number 7. The father of English jurisprudence is? The options are option A, Austin, option B, Holland, option C, Kelson, option D, Bentham. The right answer is option A, Austin. Question number 8. Who said law is not a set of rules but is a method or technique for harmonizing conflicting social interests? The options are option A, Ehring, option B, Bentham, option C, R. Pound, option D, Hugo. The right answer is option C, R. Pound. Question 9. A sold property to B on the condition that B could not transfer the property without A's consent. The options are option A, the condition is illegal, option B, the condition is legal, option C, the condition is illegal and it completely takes away the power of transfer, option D, none of the above. The right answer is option C, the condition is illegal and it completely takes away the power of transfer. Question number 10. The term pleading include? The options are option A, statements contained in the plaintiff's plaint, option B, statements contained in the defendant's written statement, option C, statements made by witness, option D, statements contained in a plaint or a written statement. The correct answer is option D, statements contained in a plaint or a written statement. Question number 11. a party may approach the court for an amendment of his opponent's pleading, also known as compulsory amendment. It is provided for under. The options are option A, Order 6, Rule 14, option B, Order 6, Rule 16, option C, Order 6, Rule 17, option D, Order 6, Rule 18. The right answer is option B, Order 6, Rule 16. Question number 12. All money payable under a decree shall be paid. The options are option A, into the executing court, option B, out of court to the decree holder, option C, as per the direction of court which passed the decree, option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 13. Which of the following admission is no evidence? The options are option A, an admission by one of the several defendants in a suit against another defendant, option B, an admission by a guardian ad litem against a minor, option C, an acknowledgement of a debt by a partner against the firm, option D, both A and B. The right answer is option D, both A and B. Question number 14. The service of summons of a firm could be. The options are option A, by any of the partner, option B, by the head office, option C, both A and B, option D, by head of the firm. The right answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 15. A dying declaration under section 32(1). Options are option A, must be made by a person as to the cause of his own death, option B, is relevant whether the person who made them was or was not at the time when they were made under expectation of death, option C, is relevant whatever may be the nature of the proceeding in which the cause of his death comes into question. Option D, all are correct. The right answer is option D, all are correct. Question number 16. Which of the following facts need not to be proved? The options are option A, relevant facts, option B, facts judicially noticeable, option C, admitted facts, option D, both B and C. The right answer is option D, both B and C. Question number 17. Section 309 provides for. The options are option A, speedy trial, option B, to remand custody, option C, of adjournment in proceedings and inquiries trials, option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 18. Who is entitled to compensation for the loss or injury caused by the offence to the deceased victim? The options are option A, wife or husband, option B, parents, option C, child, option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 19. The appeal against an order of acquittal passed by the Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class shall lie to. The options are option A, the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate, option B, the Court of Session, option C, the High Court, option D, the Supreme Court. The right answer is option C, the High Court. Question number 20. A is tried for the murder of B by intentionally shooting him dead. The fact that A was in the habit of shooting at people with intent to murder them is. The options are option A, relevant fact, option B, irrelevant fact, option C, collateral fact, option D, admission. The correct answer is option B, irrelevant fact. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share.